Hello friend, welcome back to my lecture on PHP object-oriented programming. So in the previous lecture I have discussed about cookies in PHP. Cookies is also very important concept of cookie, but object-oriented programming today it is also an important concept of PHP. Basically all the programming are doing with help of the object-oriented concept. So we have left behind the oriented concept of the programming. So there are many features of object-oriented programming. You can see in this slide that encapsulation, polymorphic, inheritance, multiple inheritance, and so many other features of object-oriented programming. So today I will discuss about the class and object. So I will start by the class and object, and then I will move towards this inheritance and other feature of object-oriented programming. So first of all, in class and object, how to create a class. So we have to create a class, and then inside the class we will define the different variable as well as different functions, and these functions will be called by the object of the class. So this is in class and object. Basically, class is the division of the whole project into different part, and each part is called the class, and each division, you can say each division is class, and we have in different classes, and inside different classes we have in different functions. So this is object-oriented programming. So by dividing, by separating this is, the project into different parts, it is better approach of the programming. However, in the previous programming, we only knows about the function. We only divide the program into different functions. So this is traditional programming. This is top down. This is based on the top down approach. While this object-oriented programming is based on the bottom up approach. So we define different classes, different functions, and at the end we define the object of the class, and or we define the main in the case of the C++ or in Java. So that's why it is called bottom up approach. So in some other classes we will discuss about the bottom up approach, but today we are discussing about the class and object in PHP. So you can see in this program we have in the class name class, and its name is name, and it is extended from the base class. Then name class is extended from the base class. The PHP support class in inheritance. So that's why PHP is very important language. While in PHP we cannot define any class. PHP is just like procedural approach, follow the procedure of the oriented approach. But PHP is also like PHP is used for the server-side programming, but it is having the concept of the object-oriented. So that's why it is very useful, because the object-oriented concept nowadays all the programming are done by the object-oriented concept. It is faster than procedure-oriented concept. So PHP 5 allow the public, private, protected members. So we have a different type of all the extents of the variable are public in PHP. So we have a different type of the variable inside the class. So they are divided into public, private, and protected. So public, which is used by all the classes, all the subclasses, while the private will be used inside the class but not outside the class, and protected member are used in the derived class but not in other class. So we have, for the purpose of security, we divide the variable into these categories. The general variable which is not more sensitive, they are defined as the public variable. So according to me, we define the variable for private, public, and protected. Right. The format of defining class, you can see this is the format of the defining class, and extend keyword will be used to extend from the base class. So we are inheriting this base class in the name class. So this is parent class, and this is name is the child class, and inside this class we have the one variable var name, and this is public variable, and we have the one function, construct function. So inside construct function we write the some statement. This is constructor function basically. So name is the class and its constructor is underscore construct. But in case of the Java, we write the constructor as the name of class. But here, this is the slight difference between Java and PHP. In this PHP code, we are defining here constructor. So the code of constructor, it is public. It's not specified. Otherwise, we can specify here the type, protected, private, and by default it is public type. And now we are writing here on the function, and this function is private function method name, and we are writing here the code of this function. This is the another method. This is the another function. We can call it function as well as we can call it method. In C++ it is function. In Java it is method. And while here in this PHP we can say function. Function is a keyword, and we must have to mention here function keyword for writing function. For constructor also we have mentioned here function underscore construct. Or in case of the normal function, normal member function. Member function is the member of the class. So this will be start by the function also, and their type, private, protected, or public type. We will mention here type and the name, keyword function and the name of the function. And inside this we will write the code. To access the variable or function, we will use object dash greater than sign and variable name. So suppose this is the var name, so we will write here, we will define the object of this name class, and then we will write here this variable. So there is no dollar sign before this variable, but we will mention dollar sign before the object. So once we mention the dollar sign, we will not mention here dollar sign. So to access the instance variable, suppose we are using some variable, some object of this class inside this class, then we will write here this keyword. So like in Java, we can use this keyword, this dash greater sign and when. So suppose this is the variable name. Suppose we are using this variable name another function or anywhere else inside this inside the class, same class. Suppose we are defining the object of this class inside the class, then we will use this keyword. So this is the program, this is the structure, this is the syntax of the class. And now in next slide I am discussing about, I am showing you the complete PHP program and implementation of the PHP class and object. So here we have mentioned here the class here. So this is the base class, this is the class, user class, and this class is not inherited by any other class. So it means it is the base class. So in this case we have been only one class, we are not using another any more class. So this class is started from here and it is ending here. So inside this class we have been two functions, construct, this is constructor function and this is normal function. So you can see here public function, two times we have mentioned here function. So it means we have been two functions. But the kind of function is, this first function is underscore construct, and this is the second function. And we are not passing any argument to this getSaveD function, and we are passing two arguments to this constructor. So this is $n and $p. We have been two arguments, $n and $p. And we have been two member variable of the class, two class variables. These are the name variable and password variable. So the first variable is $name and second variable is password, and before these variables we must have to write here, mention here $sign. Now we are using the object of the same class inside the class. So we are using here dollar. So dollar this thing, this means the object. Suppose we are defining the object of class inside the class, then it is this object. So this dollar this dash equal sign name. So the object of class we have taken this dash arrow name. So the variable is this name variable and this password variable. So now inside the this constructor function we will mention, we will use name and password variable like this, and the argument which we have passed, this will be transferred to the name variable. $n will transfer to the name variable. $p will transfer to the password variable. Now you can see the another function and public function getSaveD, and in this function we are returning we are returning one value. So however we don't have mentioned here any return type. So directly we can write here return 50,000 or return any other value we can mention here. So now this is the complete function and this is the complete class. We have completed this function as well as we have completed the class. Now first of all we have to execute this constructor. So first of all before executing this constructor function we have to define the object of user class. So how we will define the function of object of user class? We will write here new user. New user $k is the object of user. So like in Java, we are defining here object $k equals to new object. So $k is the object of user class, new user. And as we will define the object of this user class, so we will mention here two argument. It means we are executing the constructor of the user class. So user this YouTube there is the first object, first argument, and this first argument will transfer to the $n, and the second argument xyz means it will be transferred, and this xyz will be transferred to the $p. So $n and $p is copied by these two variables. So it means we have used these two variables and we are running this constructor. And now $k is the object of the class. So this way we can execute the constructor because the name of constructor will be the name of class in Java. But here in PHP it is slightly different. When we will write the constructor, we will mention here underscore construct. Function, we will mention here function and then underscore construct. As we will write here this construct, it means we are running the constructor. But while defining the object of the class, we will write here the argument, and the argument will be passed as in Java. So these arguments will be transferred to the constructor. And now this is the print statement. We can write here echo statement also. Now suppose we have to print the value of name and print the value of password, because name and password are two public variables. So directly we can use outside the class in these variables. Outside the class we can use these variables because they are public variables. So we are writing here name variable. Name is the object of name is the variable of k object. So k dash capital sign name and dot is the concatenation used for concatenation, and then dash is the string, and this is inside the double quotes, and again we are concatenating and again we are mentioning the password variable. So k dash $k dash capital sign password variable, and then again concatenation sign dot sign, and then p is paragraph. P means paragraph. P is for P for paragraph. And suppose we have to run this get Sally function. So we write here print $k dash capital sign and get Sally. So directly we can execute this function, and as we will execute this function, it will return 50,000. So this 50,000 will be printed by this statement. So you can see the output. I'm using Dehradun and XYZ, using Dehradun dash XYZ. So you can see accordingly this print statement, this is the output, and by the second line, second print statement, we are printing the get Sally, which value is returning 50,000. So friends, this is the program of class and object in PHP. So I hope you understand this class and object. So prerequisite of this PHP, you have to know C++ or you have to know C++ or Java programming. If you know the Java programming, then it's not difficult to learn this program, to understand this program. So this is very simple program, and simply we will define the class, and outside the class we will define the object of class, and then we will execute the constructor automatically and then other functions. So I hope you understand the concept of this class and object in PHP. So in next class I will discuss the concept inheritance.